we're back. Now we're gonna see the
giraffes.
The giraffes. Yeah, I can't wait to see the giraffes. They look so cute. Wow, giraffes are cute. Oh, I almost fell down. Oh.
Right here.
Oh wow. Oh look. Oh wow. Look at giraffes. Oh wow.
Whoa, look at that giraffe.
Look at that. Wow. The giraffes. So cute. Here's the giraffes. It's so cute. There's another giraffe. Lots of people taking pictures of them. I don't blame them. They're so cute. Look at all those cutie patooties. They're so cute. Aww. I love the giraffes. They have a long neck like a brontosaurus. Yeah. They're so cute. There's a Macy giraffe calf, and Mason Cemetery. I forgot what's the name. Gazelle. Rhinos are also cute.
Oh my.
Wow, look at the rhino.
From behind.
Yeah. All I can see is his butt right now. Okay, there it is. Here it is. She's eating grass. Hi, rhino. Is that a girl or boy? I don't know. I think only boy ones have horns. Do they? I don't know. Yeah. Here's the rhino. He's eating. Gazelles. Oh, cute.
Over here, Charlotte, so
They're
we
so
can
cute.
let other people pass.
I know. I'm sorry. I just want to see them. But do you see how cute they are? Yeah, the gazelles. They're so cute. I was sorry. I just want to see the animals over there. They're so cute. Oh, cool. There's a duck right there. The duck. Look, there's some ducks. A duck. And there's another duck. There's a couple ducks over there. So cute. Zebras. Oh my gosh, I'm going to see the zebras. Zebras. I'm coming to you. Zebras. Zebra. Here's a zebra right there. Oh my gosh, he looks so cute. Oh, do you see him? He's cute.
No, I don't see him at all. Where did he go?
He's right there. A donkey? Oh wow. Donkey and a zebra. Cute. My dad's holding sister's backpack because I don't know. Ew, what's that smell? Is those the greens? Oh, Ben doesn't like the smell. Oh, what? Oh, there's the. Here they are. The other zebra. Oh, flamingos. Yeah, flamingos. I could. Oh, cute. Flamingos. I have not taken a picture of flamingos before. They're so beautiful. Oh, look! The flamingos! So cute. Wow, look at her.
That one's not as old as the other.
Look at them. The flamingo.
It takes 3 years after they're born to become pink.
Wow. I didn't know that. When we passed, oh, emus or ostriches? What over there? Oh, an ostrich or emu? Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay. Well, this is still very cool, though.
Oh, cool. I fought this one. Wow. Wow. I think he's saying
Oh
hello.
yeah, he totally came to
I said,
say
what
hi.
is that?
Yeah. Hi.
Beautiful. Look
Hi.
at this big bird.
Wow.
Isn't that interesting?
I thought it was an ostrich or an emu. We're wrong. Maybe they may have some there. There's flamingos over there. There's a lot of cutie patooties over there, guys. More animals somewhere in the wild.
Off of habitat.
Oh dear. Oh dear. I guess so. Uh-oh. Foxes. A fenner fox.
Oh yeah.
I like foxes. They're so cute. Where is?
Sleeping back in there. Can you see him sleeping?
Yeah. I can't. The phone couldn't see him, but he is right. He is right there, you guys.
Look at these porcupines.
So cute.
Is there a
So?
fox in here?
Yeah, there is. It's in this cage. Porcupines. Oh, look!
Again, they're showing
They're
their
so cute.
Yeah.
deer.
Oh wow!
I thought you said.
There's an animal right up there. That's so cool.
He's a big one.
Hey, here's a squirrel.
Oh, sorry, bear.
He ran off. Said, "Ah! I'm gonna get out of here." I
There's
couldn't.
2 of them in there.
Ears are ginormous.
Yeah, there's 2 of them in
Oh,
there.
yeah.
It's hard to get them with your phone. It's very hard for that. Oh, my dad took a picture of that. Look at them. So cute. Oh, here it is. He's so cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, hard to see it because my phone is so foggy.
Your phone don't have the 10x zoom on it.
Yeah, it's so foggy, right? Yeah, it's super foggy. Cheetahs! Cheetahs! Oh, they're so cute.
See the cheetahs.
I want to see cheetahs too.
Oh, he's got a lot
Look.
of space to run.
There he is. Cheetah! Don't worry.
Cheetah.
He won't hurt us because he's in the cage, yeah. Hi,
That
Cheetah.
wasn't the mode I wanted. I thought I hit video.
I wish he could run for us.
No, he won't.
I hit video.
He's at the zoo. Maybe, I don't know. Cheetahs are wild animals. Oh, cute. There's another cheetah right there. He's playing a toy. Like an actual little cat does. Oh, wow. He's so cute. A very cute looking cheetah. So, peace. We'll see you soon.